Going on, guys? So yeah, we made it. Got all these bikes. It's like porn, right? Wow, look at this place. That is the big daddy of my bike. Hell yeah. CBR 600 RR. Very nice. Ooh, what exhaust system's this one got on it? Oh, what's there? Dual Ac Rapovich. ZX10R. Yeah, this is the one we came to look at anyway. Kawasaki VN, I do believe. VN 800cc, very nice. She's a big one, isn't she? Fantastic. Oh, look at this thing here. Yes, the big daddy version is this one. Very pretty. Oh wow, it is 1700cc, jeez. I'd write myself off on something like that. I wonder what the BHP is on this thing. But here's the big daddy of mine. CBR Fireblade. Yeah, I can definitely see myself riding one of these. We got the 600 RR and we've got the 1000 RR. Very nice, very nice. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, booster. How did I miss the booster? Oh, that's a motorbike. That is a motorbike. GSXR 1300 Hayabusa. I do think so. I'm not into the back of it though. Yeah, I don't really like that. Prefer the back of this one. It's a nice bike. Ooh, CBR 600F. Bigger version of mine. People are looking like, is that guy really recording in here? It's like, yes I am. Kawasaki Z1000 SX, very nice. Triumph Sprint, oosh. This thing here is what I'll be doing my test on. One of these. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Honda NC 750. Thing's awesome. Triumph Speed Triple. Oh wow. Got ourselves a Super Duke over here. Nice little KTM. It's only the little one, that one though. 1290 is much nicer. Yep, there's the new model of mine. Newer model. That's nice, that is. That looks so much better than mine. It's the 13 plate. CBR Fireblade. That is nice. That is nice. Look at these boosters, these are so nice. We got a Triumph Tiger. Right, look at this. I mean, these are real adventure bikes. These are amazing. Wow. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's no S1000, but geez, that thing is nice. Look how wide this thing is. Like, just put my hand there. Look how wide this thing is. It's huge. Excellent. Triumph Speed Triple. I like the front of this Suzuki. This is nice. GSR. Not a bad price either, really. That Super Duke though. It really is just a big version of the 125 Duke. Excellent.